Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So now discuss about the previous problems for NEET and JEE mains. Okay, the first problem discussed: in the system shown in figure, pulley is smooth, string is massless and inextensible. Find acceleration of the system A and tensions T1 and T2 find out. Okay, take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, here, so according to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma, the force is equal to mass into acceleration. Here, the net pulling force will be, find out the pulling force. One side is only one block of mass 2 kg is connected to the one side of the string. Another side is connected to two blocks of masses 6 kg and 4 kg. Okay, this is the 6 plus 4, that is equal 10 kg. The 10 kg is greater than 2 kg. The side, the acceleration is acting downward direction. The 2 kg block, that acceleration is acting upward direction. The string is massless. The string is massless and inextensible. The tensional force is same. This is the T1. So T1, the between 4 and 6 kg block. So one tensional force is acting, that is a T2. T2 acting. A is equal to, the acceleration is equal to net pulling force or pushing force by mass. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 into 10 minus 2 into 10 by 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, 12. Then A is equal to 80 by 12, that is equal to 20 by 3 meter per second square. Acceleration is equal to 20 by 3 meter per second square. Then next to find out tension T1 and T2. Okay, first to take 2 kg block. FBD of 2 kg block. So 2G is acting downward direction. The tensional force, the T1 acting forward direction. So normal direction. The acceleration is acting upward direction. The acceleration is acting upward direction. First write T1. Write the equation T1 minus 2G is equal to 2 into A. Okay, T1 is equal to 2 into 20 by 3 plus 20. Then T1 is equal to 40 plus 60 by 3, that is 80 by 3. Okay, 40 plus 60, that is 100. 100 by 3 Newton. This is the T1. T1 is equal to 100 by 3 Newton. The next to T2 find out, take 6 kg block. The free body diagram of 6 kg block. G is acting downward direction. T2 acting along the string. The acceleration is acting downward direction. So because of 4 plus 6, 10 kg, 10 kg greater than 2 kg. That's why the acceleration is acting the downward direction. First write the equation. First 6g minus t2 is equal to 6a. The t2 is equal to 6 into 10 minus 6 into 20 by 3. A is equal to 20 by 3. 3 ones to 3 twos. Then T2 is equal to 60 minus 40, 20 Newton. The T2 is equal to 20 Newton. T2 is equal to 20 Newton. 60 minus 40, that is equal to 20. 3 ones to 3 twos. Okay, this is the first problem. The acceleration in this problem, acceleration A is equal to 20 by 3 meter per second square. The T1 is equal to 100 by 3 Newton. Next to T2 is equal to 20 Newton. Okay, T2 is equal to 6g. 6 into, take g is equal to 10 minus 6 into A. So A value 20 by 3. 3 ones to 3 twos. 6 and 60 minus 40, that is equal to 20 Newton. This is the first problem. The next second problem. In the adjacent figure, masses of A, B and C are 1 kg, 3 kg and 2 kg respectively. Find acceleration and T1, the tensions T1 and T2. Find out. Neglect friction. Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, between A and B, the T1 tensional force is acting. T1 tensional force acting. Between B and C, T2 tensional force acting. T2 tensional force is acting. So taking in this figure, so like a triangular shape figure, the top of the edge, the pulley is fixed. One side of the pulley, the two blocks are connected with string. Another side, only one block is connected, that is C. Okay, in this problem, A is equal to 1 kg and B is equal to 3 kg. The 1 plus 3, 4 kg. The acceleration acting in downward direction. This is acting in this direction. It is downward direction because A plus B greater than C. A plus B greater than C. Find out acceleration and the tensional force T1 and T2. Okay, tensional force T1 is acting between A and B blocks. Next, between B and C, T2 tensional force is acting. Okay, first to find out acceleration. According to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Here the pulling force is applicable. The net pulling force. Okay, first to draw in this diagram. The block A, this is the block B. Okay, block A is equal to 1 kg and block B is the 3 kg. The tensional force T1 acting between A and B. The 1g acting downward direction. 1g, that is a weight acting in downward direction. Okay, acceleration is acting in this direction. So making an angle 60 degrees. So making an angle 60 degree. The angle 60 degree is resolved into two components. One is the horizontal component, another one is the vertical component. Horizontal component is the MA cos 60 degree, MA cos 60 degree, MAG. The next vertical component is the MAG sin 60, MAG sin 60. Next block B, acting downward direction, that is MBG making an angle 60 degree, that is MBG cos 60, MBG cos 60 is resolved into two components. One is a horizontal, another one is a vertical. In this vertically component, that is MBG sin 60 degrees. So next to another side, block C, this is MCG acting downward direction, so making an angle 30 degrees, that is first to take a horizontal direction, MCG cos 30 in this direction, MCG sin 30 degrees, okay, sin 30 degrees in this direction, in this direction, MCG sin 30 degrees is resolved into two components. This is the horizontal and this is the vertical component. Okay, in this side the acceleration is acting, okay, forward direction. First here net pulling force, the acceleration A is equal to, these two blocks are acting in one side, another block is acting other side. First to MAG sin 60 plus MGB sin 60 minus okay, in this one MBG MCG sin 30 by 1 plus 3 plus 2 6 kg, 1 plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 6 kg. Then A is equal to MA, that is a 1 into 10 into sin 60 is the root 3 by 2 plus MB mass of the block B 3 into 10 into root over 3 by 2 minus MC, so 2 into 10 into sin 30 1 by 2 by 6. Then A is equal to the simplifications 24.64 by 6, that is equal to cancellation, sixth table. Then A is equal to 4.1, so nearly 4.1 meter per second square. The acceleration is equal to 4.1 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. The next two, so find out T1 and T2. Okay, T1 and T2 find out. Okay, between A and B, the T1 acting, okay, first to take block A, okay, T1 acting forward direction, In this one, MAG sine 60, MAG sine 60 okay, acting the vertically component, acceleration is acting in this direction. Okay, first write MA equation, first write MAG sine 60 minus T1 is equal to okay, MA into A. Okay, M is the 1 into 10, 10 into root over 3 by 2 minus T1 is equal to MAA. MA is the 1 kg, 1 into that acceleration 4.1, 1 into 4.1. The T1 is equal to 2 ones, 2 5s, 5 into root 3 minus 4.1, minus 4.1, that is equal to 4.56 Newton. 4.56 Newton. This is the T1 value. So already taking already find out acceleration is equal to 4.1 meter per second square. The next to T1 is equal to 4.56 Newton. Next to T2 find out. The T2 acting between B and C blocks. Okay, I take C block. C block, the T2 acting along the string, the acceleration is acting in this direction, and MCG sine 30, MCG sine 30, MCG sine 30. Okay, acceleration is a forward direction. First write to T2 in this equation, T2 minus MCG sine 30 degrees is equal to MC into A. Okay, then find out T2 is equal to MC, 2 into 10, 20, 20 into 1 by 2 plus MC into A. MC is the 2. Okay, mass of the second C block 2 kg. So 2 into acceleration 4.1, that is equal to simplification 2 ones, 2 tens plus 8.2, that is equal to 18.2 Newton. 18.2 Newton. This is the T2 value. Okay, very simple. Okay, once in this listen students, once take C block, MCG acting downward direction, so making an angle 30 degree, is resolved into two components. The first is the horizontal, second is the vertically component. The horizontal component is the MCG cos 30, vertically component is the MCG sin 30. Okay, in this direction acting, not this one. Okay, not forward direction, this direction MCG sin 30. Okay, so acting along the string, T2 acting in forward direction. Okay, this is the second problem. Hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.